Good morning, children. So, uh, we are into the 14th of July. Okay. So, as we have completed the explanation part of this chapter, we have understood regarding what is diversity, what is inequality, what is unity in diversity, and how this diversity adds color to our life, how it is useful to our life. So all these things we have seen in this chapter. This chapter was, I hope it was quite interesting for you to learn something new about what diversity is and how we can feel about this diversity and how this adds a beautiness into our lives, or how is it different from other countries of the world. So India is a country with many diversities. So we have learned that in this chapter. Okay. So today's section is for, as I have said, we have completed the chapter. So today's section is for the textual question answer discussion. So we are going to discuss about the textual question answers after this chapter as it is given in page number 20, page number 12 it is given. Okay. So what is there are questions, some questions are given. Okay. So I would be we would be discussing those question answers today, how we can I will just help you out, and you have to write down these question answers in your notebook. Okay. So uh, today we would be discussing all the question answers. That is, there are around 5 question answers. I will give you 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 question answers I will be giving you, and the fifth one, it is, what is the fifth question? Let's see about the fifth question. What is the fifth one? Choose another region in India and do a similar study of historical and geographical factors that influence the diversity found there. So, are these historical and geographical factors connected to each other? How? So this question is all about, we have to pick any one region of India, and we have to do a study regarding historical, means what the history says about that region, as well as what the geographical factors or the location of that area mean. So both of these factors, what do they say about this region, about that region that you choose, and how this influence, how we can say that there is a diversity which influence these factors. Okay. So are these historical geographical factors connected to, means we have also uh, to discuss about, are these geographical as well as historical factors connected with each other? If they are connected, that means how they are connected, that thing we have to. So that question I am giving you as a homework. So it is kind of an activity. It would be very interesting for you, okay, to search for this, to do some research for this, so that you can also get some idea of how this, what is diversity, you will get little more idea. So find some of the region, you have to take support. Okay. Of you can your parents can also help you. Okay. You have to take choose any one region from India, and you have to see the historical, means how that region, you have to see the historical factors over there, means in earlier times how was this region being connected, and also the geographical, the location of that region, what is the difference over there. So is there any difference between that historical as well as geographical factor, that you have to find out, and if there is any connection between them, so you have to tell how there is connection. So so suppose you are selecting Kerala, it is a region of India. So in Kerala, you have to write down about the historical factors about Kerala, how were the people over in ancient times in Kerala, as well as that was historical factors. And geographical factors means according to the geographical area, the factors means as a place, how this Kerala is been different from other states. And so that, and you have to see whether there is a connection between that geographical as well as historical factor, that you have to find out. So this fifth question is for you to do as a homework, so please try to find out this. Okay, so you can research for that and do it by yourself. You can write by your own words, no issue. Okay, and so that was the fifth one. Now the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 that we'll be discussing now. Okay, so what is the first question in the textbook? It is given, see, draw up the list of different festivals, okay, celebrated in your locality. Means what are the different festivals your region is been celebrating. So which of these celebrations are shared by members of different regional as well as religious communities? So which are those celebrations that are celebrated by different regions? So that we have to the first answer we can as we can discuss. So in India, as we can say, the festivals are, see, these are festivals. Okay, so you can see these are the festivals. You can draw like this, and you can draw all kind of boxes. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti, you can write down like this by drawing festivals of India. Okay, means Gandhi Jayanti. Then you can say which is a festival. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Onam is there. Then Diwali is there. Diwali is there. Then you can say Mahavir Jayanti. Okay. Mahavir Jayanti is there. Okay. And then what is the other one? Independence Day. Of course, we have been celebrating this Independence Day. Okay. Independence Day. Then what are the other? Dussehra. We are celebrating Dussehra. Then what are we celebrating? Pongal. Pongal is being celebrated over in Tamil Nadu, state of India. Okay, Pongal is celebrated. Then what are the other? Christmas, obviously. Christmas is there. Christmas is being celebrated in India. Then what are the other? Good Friday is celebrated. Good Friday is celebrated. Okay. Then again you can say Republic Day is being celebrated in which day? Republic Day is celebrated in January 26. Okay, so you can draw the first answer like this. This is kind of an example I have given, that you can write down the answers like this. Okay, you can draw like this: festivals celebrated by us, or festivals celebrated in India. And then you can draw like this: Gandhi Jayanti, then Republic Day, Good Friday, Christmas, Pongal. Like this way you can make the first answer. You can complete the first answer like this. Okay, so this is kind of the idea that I have given. So like this you have to complete write down the first answer. Okay, now what is the second question? Let's see. What is the second question? Okay, what is the second question? See, now again, yeah. So the second part of the question, what is that? Which of the celebrations are shared by the members? So which are among these celebrations? Which are the celebrations which are shared by some of the regions? Okay, so you can write down as the festivals shared. Festivals shared by different regions are as under. Festivals shared by different regions are as under. What is the first one? You can say Independence Day. Okay, Independence Day. What is the second one? Republic Day is being shared. Republic Day. What is the third one? Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti. So these are kind of festivals shared by different regions. So which are those? Independence Day, Republic Day, as well as Gandhi Jayanti. So these are the celebrations which are been shared in different regional as well as religious communities. Okay, so those people share such kind of celebrations. Okay, so this is the first answer. This was the second part, the answer of the second part of that question. What was the first one? We have to draw up different festivals that we have already seen. We first have to draw that, and then what is the second question? Second part of the question: which of the celebrations are shared by the members? So if that is asked, you have to write down like this: festival shared by different regions are as like this. So that is the first question. So now let's move on for what is the second one. So okay, what is the second question over there in the textbook? What is the second question? Okay, what is the second question? What do you think living in India with its rich heritage of diversity adds to your life? Means how can we say as India is been diversified, India is having a rich heritage of diversity. What does it add to our life? How we can say that it is a special thing in our life? So for that I will share you the PDF answer also, that you no need to worry. Okay, so for that what you have to write down, I will give you the point wise answer for that. Okay, I will be sharing you the point wise the answer. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so the point wise answer, as we can see, yes, you have to write down the first point like this. Wait a minute, I can the chalk. Okay, see, so what is the question? What was the question? What was the question? So how we can say that even though that India is with its rich heritage of diversity, that how can it add color to our life? Okay, so with the soon discussion part, I would discuss this with you in the next lecture. So next lecture we will be completing with this textual question answer discussion, and after that we will be moving on forward for the worksheet discussion. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question number 1 that I have given. So in that way you have to draw the festivals, then you have to write down the regions which share such celebrations or different celebrations. Okay, so that way you have to write down. So this is the first question, a textual question that we have been discussed today. So the in the other lecture we'll be completing the textual question answer discussion, and along with that I will be giving the worksheet question answers also. But in worksheet there is a little difference. Some of the questions will be different, so that I will tell you in the next lecture. So until that, please complete your notes, and until then, be safe, be at your house, study really well. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.